Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Caleb's point of view at SC Village. I hope you all enjoy. Please like and subscribe. And I want to thank my cousin at Radical Plays. If you like mobile games, go check his channel out. I'll link it in the description. But I want to thank him for making my new intro. But talk to you all later and enjoy the video.
Hey, yeah, let's do this.
They're down there.
Come here, right there. Yeah, I'm on your 6. They're straight ahead, by the way. Yeah, I see them. Ready to keep moving up. Oh, yeah, people. Hey, cover me. On it. Yep. Okay, good. Okay, watch the front. Straight ahead, or on my left. Watch your left. Building. Yeah, top second floor. Second one down. Yeah, I see him. Oh, hello. Oh, I got hit. Good call. Oh, yeah, straight ahead. Yeah, hit. Hey, hold up, dude, guys. It's right inside of the building. Any people over there?
Not that I see them yet. You ready? You might be.
Hit.
Good?
I think my battery is dead. Yeah, your battery. Total.
Yeah. Rip.
I just charged it. You running lights off? Yeah, lights off.
Be careful, I lost touch the guy I was out there.
Yeah, second floor up on the middle building.
You're good. This is a distraction. After you.
Yeah, second floor.
Hey, yo, where at?
Yeah, dude. Got him. Is that their spawn right there?
Yeah, I think so.
Here, probably don't shoot in there then.
Yeah, I'll shoot if I shoot them. They're pushing left.
Yeah, bang, 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 bang. Here.
You dead?
We're just call it. We'll both call it.
You want to do parlay?
Yeah.
Parlay, 50 feet. Caleb, they're pushing towards you!
No, I'm not dead. I'm not dead. 15 feet. Soon.